So your boy in a mess, and I had to come to confidential lounge just to get a little thing, because if I was to be honest with you, I just cut my own hair and I just be in a mess. I still want to go by the professionals. Good angle, I still I just cut my own hair, but I could never reach to this level. This is definitely up there, kind of style, and at least professionalism and comfort too. Day 2, I make sure I'm looking fresh because I'm meeting. You know, when you have a special moment, it's always be good to dress your best. I have one. Charlie, thanks. I have my good vibes only. I'm making sure I'm looking nice, prim. Shout out to the fellas at Confidential Lounge for giving me the blind. What we have today though, it's a very special moment. The only thing I ain't bring flowers or nothing, because I think you can already give it flowers, right? Yes, the Max have arrived and are looking good. I'm looking good for her. Max, show for Maxine. So I come to dress up for Maxine, right? Is the sport premium, so it have the additional sensors and stuff necessary. Yeah, sport premium. That's a little heavy. Sports premium. I want to thank Jon Marc. I think Kester was involved because you know he organizing the shipment of all the Max. As far as I know, I'm a sticker. I gotta give my boy Alex a sticker. I'm a literature, and I have a wire map out. The only thing in the box missing is a jersey. Cass or Daniel, I want a jersey. I can't get a jersey. So, Jon Marc, so all the months no Big Pappi Racing, because he hitting them hard. Because he do painless, I know he do Nari car. I want to believe he do Jari too, and probably Katie's extraordinary tuner, right? What I didn't know is that he was doing the wiring too, because he tuned the BMW, of course. And I called him up, he said, listen, I'm going to handle it for you. And I go wire the car for you. I was like, for real? I was like, alright, cool, because in my mind I was going to like, in my mind I was thinking to let's strong wire it and then he tune it, but again a full package here. If it is you want to know the state of the engine still basically stuck apart from the turbo, yeah? If you want to know the car by Mickey and the labs we're working on, if there's a Toyota man you should know. Well, this is coming in the GS too.
Yeah.
The GS, I mean.
The GS.
The GS, yeah.
Chrome. Altazza. Something else. Can't remember. It's coming out good better than.
Are you working on an Altazza? Well, what I have here? Altazza, I see you jacking up the diff. What are you working on here?
Changing out the subframe so the customer could convert to LSD at their convenience or at a later date. Because Altazza don't come with the non-LSD, don't come with the second mount.
But I something they was telling me earlier, and already I don't know if you could see they have a big gap here. Question: could I just buy a solid bushing and push that?
Yeah, you should be able to. It's supposed to be able to take it.
Okay. Yeah, this might be quicker.
Yeah, quicker, and that the customers complain they're hearing a noise in the back, and so the subframe bushings and thing have some stress on them. So
Okay.
you get a subframe and just change out the whole thing one time. Subframe with the mount already in it. So.
Alright, I see. I see the Civic gone.
Yeah, boy.
Any other projects on the way? Like, let's give you a small hint.
It rumbles.
It rumbles.
It rumbles. If I make it up to Waterfield tomorrow with it, you might see it.
Alright, nice. So, I don't see he started to do his wireless. He went out the road. I just waiting for him. Maybe he just come and just give a little more insight as to how he does his process in terms of taking out the engine harness and all that jazz. Alright, first impression. What did you do with the wiring feeling? I feel like normal wiring. I don't think any of these I will have seen some ignition. Some of the wiring already have markings in it, so I'm sure to map it back to the ECU shouldn't be that bad. Yeah, some ones are a little thick. The gauge now, just trying to see really quality of the wiring. Because this is the premium kit. So I think with the premium kit is you just get the wideband. So if anybody want a wideband to buy this, let me know. Because I wouldn't need the AEM gauge and sensor here. Because this running through this running through the management, if I remember correctly. You alright there? Yeah. Yeah, some fall heavy now. Some pins and jacks. Well, the sensor. Some more pins and jacks. I don't know where is this. Oh, and look at how the antenna. One of the reasons why I went with this model is that I was going to go with ECU Masters and probably try to get the dash with it too, either that or the Haltech, because I saw the Haltech by in Suraj parts, if I remember. The dash look real nice. It's a real nice dash, but this one I feel like it might just be cheaper just to use that tablet. I have tablet home. I still probably might get a next tablet just to kind of dedicate one for this. But yeah, but that's one of the reasons why I kind of went to this model, because one of this model specifically, but the brand, the ECU Masters brand, because it have that technology integration. And you would have seen Daniel in his Lancer, and he just like, first impression, ooh, it's heavy. It's about the same size as the ECU Masters, but the quality build feels good. Like it's like a kind of rugged. It feel like a, I don't want to say aluminum, but some a little thicker. It could be like a aluminum, and they probably just do like a light powder coat on it, but they have a little quality feel to it. Yeah. Alright, so I have to go home, change my clothes. So I'm not getting it back because I have a couple of stuff to get. So because I'm doing the conversion to the NZE coil packs, I have to go and get some of the jacks, because the coil packs just came just where the coil packs are on there. I want more jacks to get, so I had to go back out the road again and see where I could find that jack. But you know how it's be on a weekend, like maybe a little jammy, but I should be able to get you with it, yeah? But the boss himself reach. He done started dig up already. everything looking in a mess. Everything looking in a mess. But you know how to do the wiring. We will make it better just now. The man of the hour. Come to wire up the car. I didn't know you used the wiring, so I thought it was just tuning.
Yeah.
Where's your process of the wiring? If it is, you could just simplify it. Like okay, so where's some of these stuff? Cause I know I had a couple stuff to get.
Well, basically I just do it based on the setup. So like like for RB25 for instance, I would normally do sensors to protect the engine.
Okay.
So based on what you're going to do with the vehicle, if it's a street vehicle, if it's a race vehicle, or a bit of both, then I'll tell you what to get, and then budget the harness based on your costing that you have.
Okay.
Right. I try to do everything in one shot. So basically, even if you don't have the sensors, I just try to wire in for the sensors one time. So whenever you get to do the sensors, you know, just put it in.
Okay.
Because it'll just be easier to do it one way and done.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Normally as well for the power distribution, I just put a separate fuse and relay box to control everything for the engine to make it easier for you if you had to check it out.
Okay.
So injectors will have a separate relay and fuse to the coils, fuel pump, everything. So when this wire pass one system, you're good to go basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think the fuse box comes separate from the Maxxecu.
Yeah, that's separate. So the Maxxecu harness, it comes with a complete loom, but unlike Haltech comes with a fuse box integrated. This one I bring separate fuse boxes and relay boxes for it, or you could also get it by Garage Fresh according to time frame. Okay. Yeah. So, but other than that, the harness for the Max comes with everything basically that you need, except the fuse box. So
alright,
so it makes it easy.
It's more about a simple process.
Yeah. But once you get it done right.
Okay.
But you know, I have a book that has to write everything in the book to make sure that I cover all the bases. And that is it basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Hello there, man. So that's the update on the C35 so far. So probably by tomorrow, I'm gonna try to get the jack. No, I was waiting on a call there. So hopefully by tomorrow we could at least do a routine. I'm still too minded as if to either do a routine or if to go on the dyno one time. But I still want to change the intake, and I might be getting a exhaust manifold and thing. I have a turbo there already that I could probably just put in. But I'm still kind of waiting to find out how I'm going about that process just yet. But he wiring it still to take the intake with the injectors. Yeah, so he just giving a little, it could be an extra length. Yeah, it could be an extra length just to kind of take the thing. Because I want to put like either 1,000 or probably 750. My goal for the car is at least a 350. Yeah, 350. I don't want nothing to, or something safe for the engine. And people saying that it's safe enough for the engine. So once that in, then from there I would do the prize giving. So expect that in the next video. Once we get the car up and running and we're doing the routine, then I'll announce who are the winners. And well, obviously, the first two will be either the 1 or 2 gift cards, and then the last person will be who coming with me. Hopefully I get Wallerfield. I had to talk to Titasta and the management there. You know, they always try to accommodate those who obviously trying to get off the street. So even if it is like get Wallerfield before, I'll try to call by tomorrow and see if we can tune it on Wallerfield one time, then that will be perfect instead of doing it on the street. I was gonna get a private way to do it on. But as you seen so far, so everything is in a mess. So a quick update. I don't know how long this video will be because yeah, but we buy MD Labs and he organizing the car. So for all those who ask more updates on the C35, there you have it. What else, right? Anything else? I feel the turbo might have to change in it, huh? But when we put everything and we start to press, then I'll go find out if the turbo seals. I feel the seals bad, but you can find out next time. So on the next run. So by the time I stop pointing, so I'll just keep my hands straight and just watch the camera. Yeah? I'm gonna actively see I don't start to point right. I'm gonna actively try to not point. Maybe I could just hold the camera too long, but then it'll be weird because people just don't watch me weird. Anyway, I digress. So Big Pappi Racing, Jon Marc, MD Labs, thanks for the accommodation, and I done start pointing already. And hopefully next video we can see the car making some pose, yeah? Vibes.